So I'm about 2 k's from camp in the middle of the bush. Got my 3 dogs here, and I suddenly realized I had no steering. I actually went into the grass over there. So I didn't know what to do, so I've looked underneath, and it looks like my whole steering has collapsed. So we're going to have to make a plan. I'm going to try and lift it up and then perhaps chain it up onto this pin here and then see if we can crawl back. Definitely not sure. It looks like it's worn out in there. It's just fallen out of the socket, so I can probably do a quick repair job here. Let's see how we go. So I've done, I don't have much tools with me out here, repair kits. I've done some basic repair. Now, where I'm standing is like right in the middle of Big 5 country, and it would be a hell of a risky to try and walk back 2 kilometers to camp with my 3 little dogs. I don't have a weapon with me. I've got a machete, but I don't even have dog leads with me. So I'd have to carry 2 of them, and then one would have to walk behind me on a lead. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I did. So I've chained that up there, and hopefully it's not going to fall out of its socket. We'll see. About 20 minutes I'll get back. Well, so far so good. We've done 100 meters. I'm just going to go slowly. Hopefully we can get it back. It's not like a pressure joint. It's just fallen out of its socket. So the chain is now holding it back in place, just so I have got steering now. So anyway, it's good to be on the road again, and thank goodness I wasn't on the highway or something like that doing speed, because it could have ended up much worse. Okay, so we've made it this far. Things are kind of going okay down there. We're about 200 meters from camp now, so not even 100 meters. So it's been lucky. I think I'm going to post this and maybe help somebody else out. Yeah, so it's always good to keep cable ties, wire, some chain, d-shackles, U-bolts, stuff like that in case you do get a real in the bush breakdown. And there's no one here to help me. My staff are currently off. I'm all alone here. So anyway, we made it back to camp. There's a camp. Just got to get into the driveway now.